Hello, good morning, students. Today I am once again with the remaining portion of the story, the fun they had. Today we shall learn just after the introduction of the story given by me through my previous video lecture. Today, as we know, and as we are discussing about the science fiction with the hypothecation of future, not only the character of the story, but we can also think what would be the fantasy of future and in what way the coming generation will enjoy, as here in the story, as it begins with a diary entry titled as Tommy found a real book. Why here the book is said real? Because it was quite unique for them. Earlier, the books were made by the papers and the matters were written by printing press, but they had I mean Tommy and Margie, they were addicted to learn the matter through the computer as it appears on its screen. It was said a real book because the book was very old, its pages were yellow and torn, words were not moving, they were very constant. Let us learn more about this story. This story was written in 1951 and was published in a magazine named Fantasy and Science Fiction. Along with it, I inform you that the story is set in the year 21,051 2151. Tommy, as earlier we know, the main character found an old book. They used to read books on the computer screen. So, certainly, it would be very surprising for him as he had got a book made of papers and matters written by printing press. His counterpart, the little girl named Margie, she also surprised a lot, thinking that in the past the student had a person as a teacher instead of a mechanical teacher as they had. So, by knowing this process of learning, both the children surprised a lot because they did not know in what way earlier the teachers used to teach their students together sitting in a class. She thought that school in those days was much better than today. Here, a comparison is made in what way the students were taught earlier and what is the process of learning today. My dear, as nowadays we are learning through this device because our classes are suspended due to a certain crisis of COVID 19. So, certainly, this process would be either less or more interesting as we enjoy in classrooms. Margie dislikes learning through the mechanical teacher. My dear, we all may enjoy this moment, that what sort of pleasure is conveyed by the teachers, manual teachers, in place of mechanical teachers. I cannot avoid the importance of machines, new devices, and gadgets what we have today and we are using frequently. But we cannot underestimate the significance of manual teachers, as I am before you, or other respected teachers come before you and they provide their knowledge, they share with you. She was facing problem in geography and she could not get any remedy for her satisfaction. Her mother appointed country inspector who came and investigated the matter, what was the problem in her learning. Ultimately, the inspector came to the conclusion and informed her mother. And when her machine became faultless, and after that, she started learning very peacefully. So, today we can classify this story and can learn easily through different stages. The first step, diary entry by Margie. The second, her feeling about the books. The third, the arrival of the country inspector. And the next, old kind of schools. Margie classrooms is also a matter of discussion, and what happened with her nostalgic feeling. Altogether, we can classify the story and we all should start learning stepwise. In first stage, I told you that this is a science fiction. Hypothetically, there is an imagination of future. Second, the comparison of the old book in context to new one. The process is also being compared, what was the method of the past and what is adopted in present time. So you may differentiate the differences what is found today. My dear students, you are also learning in different ways. You may judge which one is much more fruitful, and you may write it down in your notebook that I have experienced that a certain method is very fruitful. In this way, you can feel that which one is more interesting, manual or mechanical. Sorry for interruption. It has come by the jolting of my device, and today, very sorry for that. And we see both the children realized that the method of learning is really very interesting by a manual teacher in place of mechanical teacher. So, thank you. That's all for today. I shall provide you much more about the story by describing the other steps in what way they learned and we should learn. Thank you.